Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. But make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. I have another unboxing from Sheglam, and I'm really excited. It is their new Catwoman collection, hence I feel like this was like, you know, and I had this dress, I don't want to tell you how many years. So it's time. But if you guys are ready to get into the new Sheglam Catwoman collection, you guys saw how excited I was about the Adventure Time, so we know they don't miss. So I'm ready. If you're ready to get into this collection, keep on watching. Let's get into it. Now this for one, something is actually delivered to my house and not my mailbox, so I'm gonna cover it up. If you guys want to send anything to my mailbox, let me know in the comments and I'll put it in a pinned comment, so you guys can send me stuff and we can do like a proper P.O. box unboxing. I do want to say, I know that I have to do, why is this battery dying? That I have to do a look with the Adventure Time. Give me a minute. I just came back from vacation. They stressed me out at work. I literally worked this morning and I'm filming this. This is like the second week in a row that I worked 6 days straight. So please bear with me. I'm dying. Let me change my battery from now. Shout out to Sony for making the placement of the camera. You guys know what I mean. Shout out for the placement of the placement of the battery because, whew. And this is a smaller collection. Let's see. Guys, we gotta take the bra and the panties off. Look at how. Ooh! Okay, let's get a thumbnail. I don't know, but it's so cute. It's the DC it's okay, so it is a collection with DC. This is the Catwoman and Sheglam collab. I think it looks so nice. What comes in here? Let's just find out together. Let's find out together. All I've seen, I think, is the blush. Whatever it is, it's gorgeous, and I want to get into it. So I like that it's like a win. Oh, I'm thinking this comes off. Ooh. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. This is so cool. It's like a window. It's so dope. But because you know she's a cat burglar. Sorry. Let's see what we have. What is this? Okay. Oh my gosh. So we have some. Okay, I'm very excited now. More excited. More excited. I was excited before. So this is the Sheglam Midnight Veil Eye Mask. And it says this cat has claws. I think it says that in here too. So that's also on the inside of the box. It says this cat has claws. It's very cute. So how many do we get? We have 10 eye masks, which is really cute. I don't know if it's going to be like a cat eye mask, but these are really cute. I'll use some tonight. I'm so excited to get 10 of those. Okay. I'm too excited. I'm too excited. But this is the rest of the collection. This is how it looks. So cute. Okay, what do we do? We can start from top to bottom. So we have, and it looks so good. It says the Meow Eyeliner. I'm gonna assume it's in black for the Catwoman collection. So nice. It low-key reminds me of the Maybelline eyeliner just because of like, they have like stripes on it, like pink ones, but these are cat scratches. Let's see what oh! Y'all, it's super, super fine to get like a cat eye, but it's curved as well, so I think it may make it a little bit easier to get the perfect wing liner or get in the inner corner like I did a little bit for like that really nice cat eye. This was very smart. When I say the quality, you guys have no idea. Like, don't play with Sheglam ever. And not because I'm an insider. Who also, like, I also won a giveaway. They had asked about a summertime collection and for you to give your thoughts, which I think is really, really cool that they actually take into consideration your thoughts. So 3 of us won that giveaway. No idea what we're going to get. But I'm more excited to see that collection actually come to life. What ideas they took from us. Because that would be so sick to see one of my ideas. I think I mentioned like for an eyeshadow palette, like a pool theme, like a pool party theme with like blues and colors like that. So that'd be really dope. Really. We'll just have to wait and see, I guess. Okay, next. I'm just saying. So this is the Black Cat color changing blush. This is what I think I saw. But look at the packaging. It's so pretty. It feels very nice. You guys know I was that Marceline. Okay. So it's a cat eye. This is what I saw. And it's supposed to be color changing. When something is usually color changing, it's probably... Oh, this is kind of like... rubbery. But like latexy. That's what it is. No idea what's wrong with me. But when something is usually color changing, it's usually like heat changing. So, oh, it's like but it's also, so I don't know if you guys can see. Okay, so here's how it looks in the pan. On my finger, it's like a light pink. And I like that. I think that's a really nice color. I don't know how much I would like it on top of my makeup. I did see a video today of someone using it, a black girl, using it. It seemed like she had like a more bare-faced look, but it looks so pretty how she applied it, and it wasn't too glossy, but this is so pretty. I really like that, and I like the color it is. And you guys know I already did my blush video. Check out my favorite blushes. I will do my makeup. Don't worry, you guys are gonna see. Ooh. But yeah, so here is the color changing blush. Super cute. Okay. So this is a ring. Really cute. I think this is the highlight. Let's put it, which finger? This. All right, I can only fit on my ring finger, so I guess I'm now engaged to this collection. Wow, finally happened for me. Ooh. Let's see it from the wrong side. Here's where everything is. So this is the color changing blush. Where we have... Okay, so this is the Jewel Thief highlighting ring. That's what I thought. There's a highlighter. Let's not get it stuck on our finger. And let's get a good little swatch. It looks like a pretty champagne highlight. If you guys can see it. Get a little swatch. It's more like on the yellow side. But it's there. Oh, it's like a frosty highlight. It looks kind of yellow in the pan or the ring, but it comes out a lot lighter, and it's there. So use a little to start and build it up, but this is really pretty, and I like that it's in a ring. It's just very cute, and very on brand with the Catwoman theme. Next, first of all, this is so cute. It's a little nasty. Ooh. So this is the I'm Not a Kitten Peel Off Lip Tint. I do not have a lip tint. Would love a lip tint. Let's see the color. Ooh. Can you guys see from the doe foot? It's like a flat doe foot. But it's like, I'm just gonna have to swatch it and deal with the stain. Oh. This is good for Halloween. Oh my gosh. This is like, it will peel it off at the end of the video, I guess. But look at that color. It is like a blood red or a wine, like a deep. Ooh, I can't wait. That's so nice. And for it to be a peel off lip stain or lip tint, I can't wait to see what it actually looks like. I will use it. I might use it on my Halloween look. Not revealing what it is yet. Still get everything together, but I think it could work. But just a little tassel. I'm telling you, the packaging. What's going on? Who is in the studio over there? Because y'all killing it. Killing it. But we also have this one. This is I'm Not a Kitten. So there's two. All right, so let's not be foolish. The color on this one is High Stakes. This one is Swift and, oh, I wonder what color it is. They look similar. So it looks similar in color. I'm black or is that the same color? Maybe they peel off differently, But right now it looks like the same color. So we'll see by like the end of this video when I try to dry it. But I don't know. I'm excited. I don't know. For the packaging? I did. A little freak. Alright, so the last item in this collection is the eyeshadow. Here's the palette. This is the Feline Fatale. There's the palette. Because they say when it rains, it pours. It's that kind of week day, everything. But it is safe. I did not break any of the shadows. Again, there's no mirror. We're good. There was like a plastic thing that says this cat has claws, and I put it down and I lost it, and it's clear. And that's just a recap of everything that didn't happen. Wow, I thought I was recording. Back to you in the studio, John. All right, so here is the palette. Metal tin. It's nice. There's no mirror, but here we are. Look at that. So it looks like with the Adventure Time palette, there's like a black cream. There's like a very pretty silver. There's like a nude, like a very ashy, cool tone nude. There's a nude brown. Then there's the actual like peachy nude. There's a light blue. Very interesting colors in this palette. Say there's a duochrome that's very similar to my highlight right here. Probably more on the blue side than the pinky purple. It's quite an interesting mix. Super easy to get. Super easy to get a smoky eye. I would probably more so gravitate to a smoky eye with this wine shade here. And this shimmer. There's not, like, I wish there was a dark brown or a black in here that was a powder and not like a cream. And you could use this like I do when I do a smoky eye. I use a gel eyeliner for the base. It just gives you a really, really deep black color, and then I obviously went over it with the glitter, and it's just a lot easier. It makes a smoky eye 1, 2, 3, 2 shadows max. Well, 1 shadow and the gel eyeliner. I will do the same thing with this or use this as an eyeliner, but I don't know. Like it's a strange pairing. You can, the middle 4 are actually really good together. You could do like a 2 shadow look with these 2, or maybe even throw in the black or these, but it's like a kind of odd pairing. Whereas I felt like the Adventure Time palette was like a full palette. You don't need another palette. Nothing that is like, so this is like, I feel like it's a complimentary or supplementary palette that you have when you go to grab for a certain shade, but you will need other shadows to go with it, if for certain looks at least. You can definitely get full looks out of this palette. Just very, very interesting in the colors. Like the selection is very, very strange. More so on the cooler tone side. So anyone dark, myself and darker, I would say for like this light blue one, you may want to go in with a white base for your eyeshadow. Same with this color. This is also going to come out pretty ashy or cool tone. So just look out for that. But I think this is very interesting and I can't wait to actually try it. Definitely interested in these lip tints. Again, they're very similar in color. They may be a little different once they peel off. I'm not 100% sure. I've never used them, but that blush is so interesting. I just don't know how it would go on top of makeup, especially matte makeup. I think that's more so like a skin tint day or a light makeup day where you're like, you know what, let me just do my brows, some mascara, and that blush. I think that would be gorgeous. It'll give you a nice, dewy, natural look, but you still get a little, you know, a little something. So I think that's cool. But overall for this collection, I said wow. Because this interesting and a great addition, super smart, especially for a Catwoman where she wears an eye mask. I think this is really cool to have some eye masks. It's really, actually really smart, really dope. And that is the Catwoman Sheglam collection. That's the one. Let me know what you guys think of it in the comment section down below. Let's see if it's time to peel and see what the actual, whoa, colors are. Okay, so I don't know. Get off of me. I don't know if I maybe just applied one differently, but the second one seems a bit deeper, just a little bit. And I definitely had more of the first one, like a good even streak. So maybe that's the difference. It's also not as red. So they are different. They didn't play me, y'all. They didn't mess up. It's not a quality control issue. They are different. It is subtle, but it's there. One is more red and the other one is more deeper wine, kind of maroon shade. And that I like. I love, actually. That's my you know? But that is it. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you like most from this collection? What are you most interested to see? I may ask you guys to choose the colors from this palette for an eye look, just as like a challenge, because they are a little strange for me, like the thing, and I don't want to make it too easy, and I like a challenge. I will be doing a look with the Adventure Time collection. I'm going to do a look with the Morphe Python code, but you guys know it's spooky season and that's my season, so I'm planning. The wheels are turning. I'm setting things up for a shoot. If you speak to me on a regular, you kind of know where I'm going at it. But then I also found a palette like in my collection that's like, yo, perfect prop, perfect eyeshadow, perfect everything. So I'm getting ready. We're gearing up, and Halloween, spooky season is in full swing. Follow me on Instagram. If you're not already, I will be dropping some reels and shorts as I do on YouTube, but sometimes it doesn't, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And TikTok of like my old looks, the new looks coming, a combination, like a recap. So it's getting, we heating up, and we not missing a Monday ever. Because if you know what I had to do to get this video out, you would subscribe. Did I mention we hit 3K? We'll talk about it in another video, but if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.